In this video, I'll guide you through how to turn on two-factor authentication on Facebook. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. And click on this menu icon. After coming to this menu page, you scroll down and find Settings and Privacy and expand it. Now click on Settings and tap on See More in Account Center. Then Password and Security and then two-factor authentication. And choose a Facebook profile. Now you type a Facebook password and click on Continue button. Then Facebook will send you a verification code on your connected email address. Now you need to get the verification code and paste it here and click on Continue button. Now you have got three options: Authentication App, SMS or WhatsApp, and Security Key to turn on two-factor authentication. Let's go with Authentication App and click on Next. Now you need to copy the key and open the two-factor authentication app. For this video, I am going with Google Authenticator. After opening Google Authenticator, you need to click on this plus icon and choose the second option, enter a setup key. Now you need to type a code name and type your key which is copied from Facebook and click on Add button. Now you need to go to your Facebook account and click on Next. Now you need to enter your verification code. Then click on Next button and click on Done. By following this tutorial, you can easily turn on two-factor authentication on Facebook.